you're getting the frustrating message that says Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at this time, when trying to access the Apple Developer app or website, don't panic. You're not alone. And this is totally fixable. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step fix that works for both iPhone and iPad users. Whether you're setting up a new developer account or just trying to log in, stay with me until the end so you don't miss any critical step that could solve the issue. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this setting is turned on, go ahead and switch it off completely. Disabling this removes hidden restrictions that may be silently blocking your access to developer tools. Next, return to your home screen and open the App Store. In the search bar, type Apple Developer and make sure you either download it or update it to the latest version. Outdated versions are known to throw up eligibility errors. Once that's done, go back into Settings. Tap your Apple ID profile at the very top of the screen. Now choose Sign In and Security, and then tap on Add Email or Phone Number. If your primary email hasn't been added or verified, you'll need to add it here and verify it. This step is crucial. It helps Apple validate your developer account eligibility properly. Now, if you haven't already, tap that subscribe button right now so you never miss out on helpful tech fixes like this. Still getting the same error after all that? Here's the next step. Open the Apple Support app on your device. If you don't have it yet, grab it from the App Store. Inside the app, use the search bar and type Apple Developer. Then, choose the option to start a chat or call with Apple Support. Be sure to clearly explain the error message you're getting and the steps you've already tried. In most cases, Apple will fix the issue or escalate it to the right team, and it usually gets resolved within 24 hours. Once your email is verified and restrictions are disabled, you should be able to sign in to the Apple Developer app or website without any errors. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the eligibility issue on your Apple ID. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.